hi guys, we're here now in our screen share. So andito na tayo ngayon sa, sa ating video editor. Okay? So ito yung OpenShot video editor. So if you have not, downloaded this video editor, you can download it for free. Okay? So just look for OpenShot video editor. Okay? Go to Google and then you will see. Okay? How to download it. Okay, so andito na tayo ngayon. This is actually the simple view of OpenShot video editor. Okay, so ganito yon. So you have here the file and then edit, then the title. Okay, title you can actually use it when you try to make an effects. Okay, if you have some text, okay, to put into, right? So, ayan. So if you want to use a project, okay, so you can actually click this one, okay, for new project, and then yan yung lalabas, okay. So to make sure, kasi sometimes nagko-corrupt yung yung computer mo, okay, hindi niya kinakaya yung heaviness okay ng OpenShot video editor. So make sure na i-save mo muna siya, okay. So like for example, you can use it, well, today because I am doing I'm editing my video, my YouTube video, how to make a channel trailer. Okay? So, andito na yon. So, channel trailer. So, dito ko siya isi-save yung project. Okay? So, like for example, how to make a channel trailer. Okay? So, hindi nyo nakikita yan guys, pero dito sa computer ko nakikita ko. So, how to make channel trailer. Alright? So, ito na yung project. Okay, so isi-save ko muna siya. So whenever may mangyari, ma-corrupt or mag-hang yung computer mo, masi-save niya agad yung mga ginawa mo. Okay, so hindi ka na back to zero. Alright, so ito, ayan, so wala pang laman yung ating video editor. So atin yang lalagyan. Alright, so again, dito you can open your project. Like for example, may hindi ka natapos, tapos na-save mo lang. So kailangan i-open mo lang siya, yung mga nagawa mo na hindi mo pa natapos, and then you continue. Okay, and then yeah, undo, redo. Okay, and then here, this is actually if you import your videos, okay, pictures and effects, I mean clips, okay, so dito mo siya i-click, okay, so that mag-appear dito yan yung project files mo, later you will know. Okay, and then this one, okay, choose profile. Okay, so may mga ganyan. Okay, so profile, like for example 720p or 30ps. Okay, so this is actually referring to the size. Okay. Ayan. Alright. And then dito, if you want a full screen, like that. Okay. But ako ayaw ko ng full screen. Gusto ko nakikita si OpenShot. And then ito, pag ita-transport mo na siya or i-export mo na, like for example, you are done with your video, okay? So ita-transport, i-export mo na siya from your drive, to your drive, i-save mo na siya. So ito lang yung mga details na kailangan mong gawin, okay? So your file name, where you will save it, and then simple or, settings, like what formats would you like, okay? And then this one, okay, so you can also export to video and audio. All right, so yeah, okay, just explore this one guys. Okay, so in here, this is the simple view, kasi nga makikita mo dito dito yung lahat ng mga raw files mo, like pictures, videos, clips, okay, sound effects. Ayan, okay, so dito mo siya makikita. Alright, and then dito naman yung preview, okay, video preview mo. And then also here, makikita mo yung you will also see here, dito na yung mga track, okay. So initially meron yang silang 5 track, okay, but you can always right click kung gusto mo nang ayaw mo ng marami. Okay, ito marami yung 5, okay. So maybe let's remove some track. Okay, no, you can always remove, and then you can also add. If you will click this one, okay, so you will add. Okay, okay, ganyan. Okay. So you will just add if you will do it like that. Okay. And then, yeah, i-remove ko lang. I'll just leave two. Okay. Ganyan. Okay. So, and then, um, that is your project file. Okay. So you also have your different transitions. Okay. So transition ng mga clips mo. Okay? And also some effects. Okay? Like for example, yung kalimitan ko ginagamit dito is the chroma key. Okay? So if you know, if you're a vlogger, okay, maganda yung kalimitan talaga natin ginagamit yung chroma key, especially for the green screen. Okay? So we have here crop, okay, bars, blur, color shift, all right? Now, and many other effects. All right? So andyan na lahat, okay? So if you click profile, dito mo makikita yung mga, it's like uploaded photos and videos dito. Okay, dito, transitions and effects. Okay, dito naman, to add track, you can click this one. Okay, and then shaping enabled. Okay, and then ito, kung mayroon kang gustong i-cut na clip, so you can use it here. Okay, so i-cut mo yung clip. Okay, pero dito naman sa feature at dito naman sa ano, sa mga, you can click the video and then just look for cutting. Okay, later i-explore natin yan. Okay, so ganyan. Okay, so you can have like 15 seconds. 15 seconds yung ginagamit ko para ano, para hindi masyadong mahaba. Okay, so you can always have like, you know, 10-second um, video long. Okay, so 10 seconds, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so you can also have 5, 10, 15, especially if you are cutting videos. So, mas dali kasi siya i-cut kung ganito. Okay? Like 5 seconds or 3 seconds. Okay? So, per 3 seconds yung ano niya, yung makikita mo dito sa video. So, mas madali siyang i-cut, i-split kapag ka ganito. Okay? But, usually, yung ginagamit ko talaga is 15. Para hindi masyadong mahaba yung ano, yung parang trail mo dito. Ganyan. Okay? So, ayan. Okay? So, that's our, you know what, initial discussion about OpenShot. Okay? So, again, guys, ito yung ginagamit ko na video editor. If you can see in my videos, ito yung ginagamit ko. I integrate my Canva videos here and also my OBS video. Okay? So, tatlo kasi yung platform na ginagamit ko when I edit. Okay? I edit using Canva and then pinupunta ko siya dito sa OpenShot and then I do my screen sharing and also live streaming in the future doon sa OBS and then I will also make video tutorials about OBS. Okay? Ayan, nandito na tayo sa ating OpenShot. So this time, I will be creating or I will be editing my video. Okay? YouTube video. So gumagawa kasi ako ngayon currently ng video tutorial on how to make video channel, YouTube channel trailer. Okay. So, ayan, let's, you know, let's get it on. Okay. So, import tayo ng mga files. Again, andito na naman siya. So, dalawa yung videos ko about it. Okay. Then, kung makikita ninyo, let me get this one. Okay. So, ayan. So, ito yung videos ko. Ito is the intro and then this is the whole thing. Okay? Ito na yung parang aking video. Okay? So, ito yung intro. Pero, before my introduction, nagka-cut ako ng clip. Okay? Like for example, hanap tayo ng clip na ano, pwede natin ilagay. Okay? So, pwede tayo mag-split. Kunin natin dito. Okay? So, ulitin ko guys ha. If you want to split a video, like for example, gusto mo lang kumuha or mag-cut ng ang video ng isang clip or portion ng video mo from your video. So kailangan mo lang ganito, okay? You click ano yun? Okay. Okay, you right click. Ano ba ito? Okay? So split clip, okay? So you will just split the clip, okay? So yung sa akin, usually yung kiniklip ko is the last video. Okay, is the last portion. Like for example, let's see this one, okay? Pwede mo naman i-play. Ibahan mo na lang yung kulay. Okay? Or you can change, you can edit it. Nagsasalita na ako. So, nilalagay ko yung ano, parang yung end product muna. Parang ito yun. No. Let's see. Okay, so now, you already have like 1 minute and 5 seconds. Okay, so that's already enough for a channel trailer. Okay, so if you will play it back, so if you are going to play it, so it will go like this one. Okay, so let's start here. Cut natin siya dito, and then let's see kung hanggang saan yung cut natin. Ba, hanggang ba? Moving na yung ano mo, yung picture mo. Tapos may picture ka pa na. Okay, so we'll end up here. Okay? And then all you just need to do after ma-cut mo na, ma-split mo na yung clip. So you just, create, click create. Okay? Kung hindi mo naman gusto yung clip mo, you can always clear and start a new one. Okay? So this time, let's create this one. Okay, and then close it, and then again, alright, so ganyan. Okay, so ilalagay natin siya dito. Alright, so again guys, like for example, mayroon tayong track 1 and 2. Alright, kung ilalagay mo si track 1 dito sa baba, tapos mayroon kang nailagay dito sa taas, ito yung viewable. Okay, so makikita mo yung kung ano yung nasa taas, yun yung makikita sa screen. Okay? So, para siyang nag-override. Okay. I don't know exactly the term, but that's how it is. Okay. So, let's try to check if... Ayan. Ang ganda, moving na yung ano mo, yung picture mo, tapos may picture ka pa na maganda. So, masyadong mahaba yung ano natin. So, pwede naman siya, kasi nga parang ano ito, parang video clip lang. Okay, so siguro 15 seconds lang. Okay? So, 15 seconds lang natin yung parang short clip natin. Kasi yung purpose ko lang naman, what is the output, okay, of the video. So, parang tanga lang.